Hi everyone, this is the Keylogger part 2. This one we don't do a whole lot. Everything is much the same except for this. We're logging each keystroke to a log. To add a keystroke to a log file, which it isn't a file yet, but it will be next week, we have to use the string to coerce or convert the keystroke into a string, and then we append it. So when we run this little guy, we end up with this. It just keeps adding things in. Next week we will put this into a file. Now, to create this self.log, in the first place, we have to create a string variable for the keypress log when we initialize the frog. And I did add in a little space between each keystroke just to make it a little easier to see the keystrokes. So let's try that one more time. There, that makes it a little easier to read. Maybe. You don't have to add a space unless you want to. That's it. We'll see you for part 3 next week.